Good morning, review fans. This is Sean, your resident tech expert, and today we're going to take a look at the top 5 4K TVs on the market. We'll cover all the tech and specs, so let's kick it off right about now. Number 5 is the LG 55-inch Smart OLED TV with soundbar bundle. And for reference, the link below is to an authorized dealer with a USA warranty. So what makes this thing amazing? Based on various online tests and ratings, the audio quality from the soundbar is incredible. The 31-inch audio device has 2 channels, and it also includes a 2.4 GHz wireless backlit keyboard. That's right, no more hunt and peck when you want to log into your devices. Furthermore, the OLED technology is off the chart. Once you see OLED, you'll forget about the old technology. The flat wall mount and 6-outlet surge protector also adds to the package. It's just a little icing on the cake. And pro tip, once you upgrade the firmware, you'll have Alexa built right in, and the universal remote is voice activated and quite intuitive. Number 4, TCL 50-inch 4K Smart TV. TCL, one of the world's largest TV manufacturers and America's fastest growing TV brand, brings the latest in 4K technology and design. It's a simplified 4K Ultra HD TV, so you can enjoy endless entertainment. So why does this thing crack the top 5? It's a high-end TV at a low price. Adam actually owns this one and loves it. The sound quality is good, the user interface is super simple, and the 4K HDR is impressive. Amazon reviews are all positive too, so there's definitely a reason TCL is taking market share from the big brands. Number 3 is a Sony 55-inch TV. It's 4K Ultra HD Smart LED TV with HDR and Alexa compatibility. This is the 2019 model. Comes in at about $1,000 for the 55-inch and $3,000 for the 85-inch device. That's big. You really do unlock the world of ultimate color and contrast. This 4K HDR is crazy. The sound and picture quality exceeded what I expected from Sony, and I have high expectations for the brand. Their folks seem to really put their best foot forward while still hitting the market at a reasonable price. Number 2 is a tie. It's the other sizes of the TCL 4K Smart LED ROKU TV. And prices range from under $300 to about $1,200 based on size. And at the time of this video, the 75-inch was listed at a significant discount, so check it out. These TVs are great quality with a reasonable price tag. They're Roku based, so you Roku users will love it. It's also one of the top selling TV brands in America right now. I'll put an Amazon link below. Pick your size and check for those discounts. And number 1, at $4,500, the Sony XBR77A9G. It's a 77-inch TV. The Master Series BRAVIA OLED 4K Ultra HD Smart TV with HDR, and it is breathtaking. You'll be hard-pressed to find a better image on the market. Plus, with Alexa, this thing runs on See It, Say It. So you can pretty much talk to your TV and have it do whatever you want. So this is Sony's latest and greatest, a very inspiring OLED masterpiece. It's got the picture processor X1 Ultimate, which is Sony's best processor ever. Got the pixel contrast booster technology for unbelievable picture quality, 4K HDR clarity. Oh man. So you've got the bright, vibrant colors, absolute black, and stunning contrast. And a very interesting feature, the Acoustic Surface Audio Plus. 2-channel sound right from the screen. So that's the Sony Master Series BRAVIA OLED 4K Ultra HD TV. Nice. There you go, folks. I'll put links in the description below. Thanks for joining us. This is a sponsored review, and our sponsors make a referral off the links, so please use them. Thanks for watching.
Thanks again for watching 911 Reviews. If you watch this far into the video, click that subscribe button now. We have an Amazon link for the products below. And also, if you would like us to review one of your products, email us at allstarboxoffice@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.